Hey, what's up team? Today I'm going to show you how to make a grade A spaghetti bolognese. So the first thing you want to do is just add a little bit of salt. And then after that, you're going to want to add a little bit of salt. Next step, you want to add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit, you don't want to go too much. And then after that one, you want to add just a little bit of salt for that extra little kick. So the next step is you want to make sure to add a little bit of salt. And then common missed step, you want to add a little bit of salt. So after that, make sure, always remember, add a little bit of salt. And once that is finally done, you're able to move on to the next step, which is simply to add some salt. So moving on from there, you want to make sure to add some salt before you want to add just a little bit of salt. To add some extra flavor to the spaghetti, you want to add a little bit of salt. And then you add a little bit of salt.